Most traders don't actually know why they're losing. They think they do. They say things like, "My strategy isn't good enough. I need better entries. I need a better indicator." But if you look closely, that's not the real problem. Because the truth is, most traders already know enough to be profitable. They just can't execute. And that's where everything breaks down. Let me explain this in a simple way. Imagine this. You open your chart. You see a clean setup. Everything aligns. You've seen this setup before. You know how it plays out. But instead of taking it immediately, you pause. You start thinking, what if it fails? What if I lose again? Let me wait for one more confirmation. So you wait. And then price moves. Without you. Now you feel something else. Regret. And that regret pushes you into your next mistake. Now you chase the trade. You enter late. Your stop loss becomes worse. Your risk increases. And suddenly, the market pulls back. Now you're in drawdown. Now fear kicks in. You close early. And right after you close, price goes exactly where you expected. At this point, you're frustrated. So what do? You take another trade immediately. Not because it's a good setup, but because you want to fix what just happened. And that's how the cycle begins. This cycle right here, a hesitation, regret, chasing, a fear, a frustration, revenge trading. This is what destroys traders. Not strategy, not the market, not manipulation, just this cycle. So now the real question is, why does this keep happening? It happens because you are trying to trade without accepting uncertainty. Let me say that again. You are trying to trade while avoiding uncertainty, and that is impossible. Every time you hesitate, it's because you want certainty. Every time you overanalyze, it's because you want to be sure. Every time you skip a trade, it's because you're afraid of being wrong. But trading doesn't give certainty. It never has. It never will. And until you accept that, you will keep repeating the same mistakes. Now here's the shift you need to understand. You don't need to be certain to make money. You only need to be consistent. That's it. Think about it like this. A trader with a simple strategy, who follows it consistently, will always outperform a trader with a perfect strategy, who trades emotionally, because consistency beats perfection. Every single time. But consistency requires something most traders avoid. It requires accepting losses, not tolerating them, not hoping to avoid them, but fully accepting them as part of the process. Because the moment you accept that a trade can lose, you stop being afraid to take it. The moment you stop being afraid, you stop hesitating. And when you stop hesitating, you start executing properly. Now your entries become clean, your risk becomes controlled, your emotions become stable, and your results start to make sense.